The Moro Pigeon Show short. I got my birds flying this morning. It's a beautiful blue sky. Where'd they go? Oh, blue sky morning. That's the dog ones. All those babies, and I got some black diamonds there flying. And that was like a weird bird flying with them. Oh, here they are. I don't know if you can see them there. They're going to show up somehow, somewhere here. Where'd they go? Oh, there they are. See them? Right there. Right there. You going? Yeah. I love you. I want to see you. You guys with you? And there they go.